Hi everybody, it is April and I am in my craft room and I'm going to make a quilt with my maker. And here is my assistant. Hi! Can you say hi? Alright, you go play while I do this, okay? You gonna stay here? Okay. So, I found a pattern. I went into projects on my Cricut design space and I'm going to make this quilt. The pattern is free and the cut is free. So if you have a maker and you go in, you bring in my project or new project and you search on quilt.
Will be
This will be the first thing. This is the first one you come up
Yep.
with.
It
Okay.
will be nuts and snap.
You need.
Wait. Stop talking to that before I get my point.
Okay. So I need fabrics 1 through 6. 1 through 7.
I don't think.
Shh, let me finish. Okay. So this is one of the fabrics that I picked.
This is my quilt that I made for my puppy.
Okay. This is another fabric. This is another fabric. And these are all coordinating fabrics from me and my sister. I think it's Moda. This is another piece of fabric. This is a piece of fabric. And here's a piece. And then this is my white fabric. So I have picked out all these fabrics. So I actually bought 2/3 of a yard of all the fabric, even though I didn't necessarily need 2/3 for all. And in the instructions, it tells you exactly how much yardage you need of each fabric. It's very, very thorough. And then fabric 1, which is the white fabric, you need a yard.
Oh no.
That is my white. So, this is episode 1. I actually shot episode 1 a long time ago, did episode 2, and couldn't find episode 1. So, I'm just doing a quick rundown of what I have done in order to prepare for using or making a quilt with my maker. Now, you have a seat. You will want your fabric. You'll want a brayer, and this is how you smooth your fabric down on your mat.
Oh, cool. That's cool.
That's cool.
Now
And then you will need a fabric mat. And I don't know that they come in any shorter than 24 inches, but you'll want the 24-inch fabric mat. And a Cricut Maker.
What is this?
All right, you want to show them your quilt.
Oh, what? This is my puppy quilt.
So, thank you for watching this video. The next video will show you how to cut your fabric, how to place it on your mat, and how to get into the software and cut it out.
And I'm going to show mine too.
Okay.
This
Here,
is
turn
Will.
around so they can see the pretty part. Okay.
This is Wilby, my puppy plate.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Subscribe
Bye.
if you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, click the notification bell. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I know you have lots of choices when you're watching YouTube. I appreciate you watching me.